Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, you can learn how to convert numeric value into words format in Excel. Since there is no built-in function in Excel to convert numeric value to words format, we need to write a VBA code for convert numbers to words. It is very easy method. I am explaining step-by-step guide. First, download the VBA code. You can find download link in the description page. Open a new Excel file. Go to the VBA editor windows by click on Developer tab or press Alt plus F11. A Visual Basic windows will open. If you can't find Developer tab, right-click on any tab from menu bar, then click on Customize the ribbon. Select Customize ribbon. Then click to checkbox on Developer, or click on File tab, Option, Customize ribbon. Then click to checkbox on Developer. Then click on OK. From VBA Editor window, click on Insert tab, and then click on Module. A module window will open. Now open VBA code in Notepad which you just downloaded, and select all data by press Ctrl plus A. Press Ctrl plus C for copy the data, then close Notepad. Now go back to Module window. If there is any existing code, delete it and paste here by press Ctrl plus V. Don't modify VBA code. Click on Excel icon to back to Excel worksheet. Now you can convert any numerical value to words format. Look this example. Type 100,000 in cell B2. Type following formula in cell C2. Type exactly as you seeing on screen. When you change numerical values, then words will auto-change accordingly. If you want to change lowercase to uppercase, then type exactly as you seeing on screen. If you want to change to propercase, then type exactly as you seeing on screen. If you want to add prefix like USD, Euro, Taka, etc., then type exactly as you seeing on screen. If you want to add suffix like only, then type exactly as you seeing on screen. When you change numerical values, then words will auto-change accordingly. This is awesome but important part yet to come. Now you can save this file with two methods depend on how to reuse this VBA code. If you only use the VBA code in this workbook, then save as Macro Enable Workbook. Just click in File tab. Click on Save as tab. Choose your desired file location and type file name, i.e. spell number. Then click on Save as Type drop-down box and select Excel Macro Enabled Workbook, and then hit on Save tab. Open that macro-enabled file and it will work fine. If you use this VBA code for every workbooks, then you have to save as Excel add-in file type. Click on File tab. Then click on Save as tab. Change Save as Type Excel add-in from drop-down box. File save location will automatically change into default location. You need an extra step for add-in. Open any workbook. Click on File tab, then click Option tab. Select Add-ins tab. Then click on Go tab. Select and click to checkbox on desired file name, spell number, from add-in window and hit on OK. Now you can be able to use this macro any workbook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, subscribe for more Excel tricks and tips. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.